Welcome back, guys. Today we have a good one. I'll be using sublimation. I'll be using this HTV for dark fabrics. Sublimation paper, 8.5 by 11, and be using a cotton gray shirt. Let's get it. Alright guys, now the first thing I'm gonna do is take these off. Right here. And figure out how wide I want my picture on the shirt. Alright, so the design I'm choosing is this design. I have it in two different backgrounds. I like this color background versus this color right here for the gray shirt. See, I have my company name and the year founded right here. All right, what I'm gonna do next is open Microsoft Word. Is gonna be 10.5 wide by 12 inches tall, right? So what I will do is open the picture to 10 and a half by 12 and a half, so that way it overlaps when I cut it. I'll be using 2 sheets of sublimation paper and then join them to make the one print. So 11. So what I try to do is go all the way to the top of the paper. So when I'm cutting, I'm only cutting the sides. I don't need to cut the whole sheet. So first page is gonna print the first half of the photo, and then I will go back and print off the second half. I begin to Okay guys, the next step will require me to join these two prints and cut them to size of this HTV, which we will press onto the shirt next. HCD the same size right here. We will now press them onto the shirt.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Okay guys, now this is the end result. I think it came out pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty wide, it's pretty long. You know, please let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Alright, thanks for rocking with us today. Peace.